Efforts to end the Embu health workers' strike have gained momentum after the county assembly mediated a breakthrough between the county government and union leaders. Most grievances were resolved during the closed-door talks, with 241 million shillings allocated to improve employment terms, promotion and settle part of the outstanding statutory deductions.
Embu County's health workers' strike could soon end after the county assembly led talks that resolved most of the outstanding labor disputes, raising hopes for the restoration of normal healthcare services. Embu County Assembly Speaker Josiah Dhiriko said health workers' union are expected to announce their position next week, while urging striking staff to resume duty following progress in resolving the labor disputes.
Kwa hivyo tumewaomba, kwa sababu 23 out of 24 of the items zimeweza kuwa zimeshughulikiwa. Tumewaomba ya kwamba warudi kazini ili waweze kufanyia wananchi wetu kazi, na wametueleza kwamba Jumatatu watakuwa na mkutano na members wao waweze kueleza vile ambavyo tumeweza kuafikiana.
On the other part, Manyata Member of Parliament Kitonga Mukunji has challenged Embu Governor Cecily Mbarire to stop engaging in political blame games and urgently address the health crisis caused by the ongoing county health workers strike.
Wananchi wanajua hospitali zimegoma, si ndio? Sasa niliona Karinda jana akisema ni siasa. Nashangaa siasa gani? Siasa gani na madaktari wako njiani wanasema wapewe mshahara yao? I think tuko na shida kubwa sana. Tulichagua governor ambaye ajui ile kazi anafaa kufanya.
The health workers strike, now in its 4th day, has disrupted healthcare services across Embu County, leaving patients without essential medical care as residents continue to feel the impact of the industrial action.
Tumesema pia we don't want confusion. Ile kazi inafanywa katika hii barabara, there is no single coin ambayo imetoka katika county government. Na uwezi pewa 40 billion alafu useme unakuja kulaunch project za Mukunji.
Attention now turns to the union response, with residents hoping healthcare services will soon return to normal across Embu County. KUTV.